An octet is a unit of digital information in computing and telecommunications that consists of 8 bits. The term is often used when the term byte might be ambiguous, as historically there was no standard definition for the size of the byte. Overview: the unit byte is platform-dependent and has represented various storage sizes in the history of computing. However, due to the influence of several major computer architectures and product lines, the byte became overwhelmingly associated with 8 bits. This meaning of byte is codified in such standards as ISO IEC 80000-13. While to most people today, byte and octet are synonymous, those working with certain legacy systems are careful to avoid ambiguity. Octets are often expressed and displayed using a variety of representations, for example in the hexadecimal, decimal, or octal number systems. The binary value of all 8-bit set is 11,111,111, equal to the hexadecimal value FF, the decimal value 255, and the octal value 377. One octet can be used to represent decimal values ranging from 0 to 255. Octets are used in the representation of Internet Protocol computer network addresses. An IPv4 address consists of 4 octets, usually shown individually as a series of decimal values ranging from 0 to 255, each separated by a full stop. Using octets with all 8 bits set, the representation of the highest numbered IPv4 address is 255.255.255.255. An IPv6 address consists of 16 octets, shown using hexadecimal representation and using a colon character after each pair of octet for readability, like this: FE800000000123456789 def. If a pair or more consecutive octets equal 0, it may be replaced by 2 following colon characters, but this can be used only once in a given IPv6 address to avoid ambiguity. The previously given IPv6 address can thus also be written as FE800123456789 def. A variable length sequence of octets, as in abstract syntax notation 1, is referred to as an octet string. The International Standard IEC 60027-2, Chapter A 3.8.2, says that a byte is an octet of bits. Use: the term octet is often used when the use of byte might be ambiguous. It is frequently used in the request for comments publications of the Internet Engineering Task Force to describe storage sizes of network protocol parameters. The earliest example is RFC 635 from 1974. In France, French Canada and Romania, octet is used in common language instead of byte when the 8-bit sense is required. For example, a megabyte is called a megoctet. Unit multiples: octets can be used with SI prefixes or the binary prefixes as standardized by the International Electrotechnical Commission in 1998. The SI prefixes kilo, mega, giga, tera, etc., stay the same as for all the SI units, based on power of 10. In this case, references. External links.